Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are planning to cancel your AT&T internet service, it is important to follow the right process so there are no billing surprises or account confusion later. Some people decide to cancel because they are moving, changing internet providers or no longer need the service, while others simply want a different plan. Many users think turning off autopay or unplugging the modem automatically stops the service, but that is usually not how AT&T internet cancellation works. Since internet accounts often stay active until an official request is made, understanding the proper steps can save time and avoid unnecessary charges. The best thing is that once you know what to check, canceling AT&T internet becomes much more straightforward. In this video, I will show you step by step how to cancel AT&T internet properly. Try this. Step 1. Sign in to the AT&T internet account and review the AT&T internet service details before canceling. Step 2. Check the billing section of the AT&T internet account to review any AT&T internet charges or agreement details. Step 3. Contact AT&T internet customer support to request cancellation of the AT&T internet service. Step 4. Ask whether AT&T internet equipment like the AT&T internet modem or gateway must be returned. Step 5. Confirm the final cancellation date for the AT&T internet service to avoid confusion with the AT&T internet account. Step 6. Review the AT&T internet account afterward and confirm the AT&T internet service has been cancelled successfully.